On your butt.
Bro.
Up.
What? I can get by myself. You're being rude. You're manhandling me and shit.
Well, then do it on your own, or we don't have to do it.
Oh my God. Okay, stop pushing me. Okay.
So get in the car.
Try not to. Right? It's gonna go 13 on 97.
This is where we're at now. You really can't back down the car. We're gonna go take this. Yes? Right here, Jasmine, no.
Sir,
not around this way. This guy right here where they were before.
Why are you putting me in handcuffs for? I'm not doing anything.
You're not here to ask questions. Do what he tells you, then we'll talk with you. You're about to make a situation way worse for
I'm not
yourself.
doing anything,
And I don't want you to
though.
put your finish. You're this close to facing child neglect charges. You don't know.
Oh my God.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back. I'm not going to tell you again.
Nasty to me.
Stop resisting.
So I'm not resisting. I'm not
Stop
even doing
resisting.
anything. Oh my God, I'm not doing anything, sir. I didn't do anything. I'm just sitting right here. Okay.
The entire time to listen.
Y'all making me nervous, sir.
I've been nothing but polite with you. You have done nothing but not listening to me the entire time I've been out with you. I have done my darndest to avoid this, but you have put me in a position where I have no choice. I haven't even verified how bad your license is yet, but I'm going to go on a limb and say you probably already know that it's a felony, which is why you're acting like this. So now we're going to have a seat in the back of this cruiser while I
Can I
can...
just sit I want to sit in my
You
feet.
can put your shoes on.
Go put your shoes on and roll your socks.
I don't want to go in there. I just want to sit here, please. Oh my God, I just want to sit with my kids. Can I just sit here,
No.
please? I don't want to go in there.
Ma'am.
Please, I'm not trying to.
Jasmine, if I have to tell you one more time, you're going to jail.
Oh my God, I just want to see my kids. That's fine with you?
In the car. And I'm not going to repeat myself again.
Do you have anything on you?
No.
Other than this?
Sir, please, I just want to sit away from my sisters, please. My kids are in
If
the
I have to
car.
repeat myself one more
I
time,
don't want to go through
you're
none of
going
that,
to
sir.
jail.
I'm not trying to go to jail either.
All right, then have a seat in the car.
Can I just see my kids? I just want to look at my kids, please.
Get in the car,
Have a
Jasmine.
seat.
I just want to see my kids.
Jasmine?
Okay? Oh my God, sir, you being like, I'm not trying to be difficult. At
You're
all.
doing a really
You're
good job
being
of being difficult.
How do you turn the rear camera on?
What is it?
How do you turn the rear camera on?
On the actual camera, the right button.
Excuse me, sir. Can I just call my mom or somebody?
10:16, I'll be 10:15.
My baby is crying, please.
As soon as we can, we'll let you.
Alright, so you stop. That's why you're acting like this. You're going to jail today. I don't have any choice.
That's fine. Can I just call myself real quick?
Yes, where's your...
The man got it.
You still have it?
Yes.
Alright.
The phone's up here.
Phone's a bit too good. Come on.
Yes, I do. I want to hug them, Elise.
How do you... Can you work back there?
Can I just hug my kids, please?
So let's focus on getting somebody here first. That seems to be your priority. Making sure they're taken care of.
Where are you at?
Sister. Oh, this is your sister right here?
Yeah. What is my sister?
But that works. The kids can go with her?
Oh no.
How old is she?
She's
She's 20?
me.
Jasmine, no, sit down.
I'm not doing nothing, sir.
You're not listening. You've yet to listen.
Is she good to take the kids or not?
Okay.
It's a yes or no question.
No, I'm trying to get my other sister. That's my god sister.
So you don't want her to have your children. You don't trust her with your children.
I'm trying to call my mom. My mom.
My priority is your kids right now. Doesn't seem like that's really your priority at all.
How is that not my priority? Kate, can you try to come here?
No, if you don't want her to have your kids, there's no point in even
Kelly,
being
where
here.
you at? I'm getting arrested. Nothing. I'm not here. My problem is then he moved me. I'm trying to talk to him. He's trying to make him nervous. Then Brielle's crying.
Perfect. Alright. Then, have a seat back in the car.
Sir, I'm not doing nothing. I'm just sitting right here.
Exactly, boy. That's what you need to be. Sitting down in the car. Right now, you're standing outside the door. You know, I told you not to do that.
Why are you being so mean to me? I'm not doing
Because you're not
nothing. I'm
listening.
right here. I'm
Sit
not doing
down.
nothing. Why are y'all
You're
being
already
so
not
rude?
listening. This is you not listening.
Okay,
We're
that's my
telling
auntie
you.
right there.
Okay,
Just sit
great.
down.
Have a seat.
Sit down.
This is your problem, is you don't listen.
I'm not doing anything wrong, sir. You're being rude. I'm not doing nothing. I'm sitting
Because you're
right
not
here.
listening to a thing I tell you to do.
My
Get
kids
in the
are right
car.
there.
Get in the car, Jasmine, or I swear to you, you're going to get an obstruction charge.
Oh my God, you're making it difficult for me. I'm not doing anything. Look, my baby's crying. It's no, I just want to see my daughter. Look, she's right there. I just see my daughter. She's right there. Please.
We're all on the phone telling us get everybody down, as you said, and they got the car. And
Come here,
Well, we
mommy.
gotta get somebody to get these kids.
Come here,
so she's
mommy.
telling me I just put her with
So I'm
her.
not doing
Yeah.
anything.
You're not
please.
listening, Jasmine.
All
Alright, that's it. You're being charged with obstruction.
Oh my God, I'm not doing nothing. Why are you being so rude to me?
Just
I'm not
get in the
doing
car,
nothing.
Jasmine.
Stop, what are you doing?
Get your feet in the car.
Stop, what are you doing? Why are you being slow?
In
What
the
is wrong?
car.
Stop.
Get in the
Auntie!
In the car.
What are you doing, sir? I'm not doing nothing. Oh my God. What the
Charges.
I'm not doing nothing. You being rude and aggressive for it. My daughter's right there. Stop. Get off of me. Oh, get off.
Get on the ground.
Oh my God.
Stop resisting.
I'm not doing anything.
Stop resisting.
Why are you on top of me?
Stop resisting. Now you're being charged with escape.
Escape, I'm not even doing nothing. They're doing this to me. I'm not doing nothing to him.
10 to 16 minimum units.
She good?
Are you going to cooperate?
I'm not doing, you being rude to me. I'm not doing anything to you.
Do we have time?
I have a hobble in my seat.
I got shackles in the bottom. These shackles, I got them.
Little baby's crying, screaming. I'm trying to tell y'all my daughter is crying, screaming. Y'all being so rude and aggressive. Why y'all doing that like that?
Let's sweep her out of here because she's going no matter what now. There's no use hanging around here. Face, good.
I didn't do nothing to you though. You're being aggressive to me. I'm just telling you. Exactly.
Space, good.
On your butt.
Bro, what? I can get by myself. You're being rude. You're manhandling me and shit.
Well, then do it on your own and we don't get to do it.
Oh my God. Okay, stop pushing me. Okay.
Get in the car.
Just be
Where's
respectful.
10-4?
I'm recording your ass.
It's all on body camera.
I don't care.
I'm impounding the car. Here's her phone.
Do what? It's not me.
Did she try to escape?
Yeah, she jumped out of the car.
Was the door open for something?
Yeah, he was talking to her at the door, and she's coming out of the car, and we're pushing her back in. And I go grab her. I try to grab her handcuffs from the other side, and she gets out before I can get a hold of them.
Talking, I hear, oh my God! I was like, what?
Yeah, so then I run around and I might. I got a number of things, Sarge.